set first, whether you are able to use a calculator. This is the previous set. When I first introduced GST discount interest with you, and all the videos have been on the YouTube channel already, including the first word problem set last week. So I'll be doing word collection tomorrow. Okay? So make sure you have the previous percentage set completed as word problems for percentage of quantity, as well as this level 1 set on discount, GST, and interest. Now, I just want to check with you whether you know how to press the calculator for this one. This is page 87. So there's this 1.5% interest for $18,000. So I want you to check whether you are able to press this correctly with the calculator. Now, when it says calculator, means it will be likely a question in paper 2 during your exam. So you'll be able to see from this window my calculator here. Okay, so I'm sharing real calculator. Can you see my calculator? Is it on your screen as well? Yes, right. So you see on my calculator, just like the question, let me change this, okay, from the beginning until okay. So just last question was $80,000. 18, oh sorry. $18,000, then multiply by 1.5%. Are you able to find how to press this? So your calculator should look like a screen like this. Then I press equal, it gives me 270 immediately. So I'm able to write down immediately on the page here, $270 without needing to do workings because it's a calculator question. Then for the total savings, $18,000 plus 270, right? Yes, right. So plus $270, I'll get 18270. Okay, so that is to check whether you know how to use the calculator. Now I'm going to move on to the new set now. You'll see a calculator question here as well. This is the new set on level 2 word problems from page 89 onwards. Okay, so tomorrow I'll be collecting the pages up to page 88. Okay, yeah, some of you have already finished it. Okay, so on page 89, now if you look at your textbook, okay, you refer to your textbook. Where's my textbook? Here, on the same computer page. You'll see that in your textbook, it presents with you, when solving a question, the model as well as the methods. So previously, when we learned percentage of quantity, we have discussed this. Method number 1, using the fraction as whole number. Method number 2, use the rate method, the arrow, and I go 100% if the original price 100% is equivalent to 7.1%, then 7%. Then we talk about how sometimes one way works better than the other. Okay? Now, but maybe I want you to pay attention to the model drawing here. You need to decide whether drawing a model may or may not be helpful to you. Okay, so if you feel like you have difficulty understanding a question, it will be very helpful if you draw a model. Okay, so let's go to try to solve the questions here. Now, the first few questions are not so difficult because it's part A and part B. So it's just like the previous set presented in the problem, problem. So the questions we'll be looking at will be, for this set, we'll be asking ourselves, is it GST? Is it discount? Is it interest? So when you look at a percentage problem, these are the three things that we're asking. Then the next thing to think about is also, is it asking for the original price, the OG? So this is like the before anything happened, or is it asking for the final price or final cost? So these are the 5 different things that you will consider. Is it asking you for the GST discount or interest? Or is it asking you for the original price? What did the question give you? Or is it asking you the final amount? Okay, then you will decide. Then you can decide better whether it's plus, minus, times or divide. Okay, so looking at the first one, I will start labeling my race. So I read, annotate, choose, and evaluate. Then we see what are we choosing. Okay, the first part says the price of the bed is $2,600. Madam Yap bought the bed and had to pay additional amount of 7% GST. Oh, very good. So this tells me already, first part given on GST. So I know this question is GST. So I got a clue already. Additional GST. Okay, very good, big, very, very big clue. Additional GST. Then next part says, what was the amount of GST she had to pay? Okay. So really quite helpful. This question gives you all the parts. What was the price of the bed including GST? Okay, so I've done my annotation. So I know this is the original price. I can label as OG, original price. Asking for GST. The first part asking for GST. The second part is asking for the end price, the final. And then the units will be dollars. Okay, so I can choose whether I need to draw the model or not. It's a choice. If I draw it right, it will look like, okay, this is the bid price. 0 to 100%, this is the bid price. The OG price, the original price, that is $2,600. Then it tells you the additional amount, 7% additional. Then this is part A. Then this is part B, final amount. And then you realize the interesting thing is, in the textbook, right, it describes this as, you see the textbook here, like the GST question. Can you see how they draw the model? This is like a similar question. How come this one got 107%? Right? Can be more than 100% on it? I thought 100% is the whole already. No. I mean like it's a whole. But this looks like if they have more than one whole. Is that, does it make sense? Then question say, yeah, because it's the 7%. So can you remember it's like, can you remember like improper fraction and mixed number? So I can have one whole of a cake, right? Then a bit more. So it's like 1 and 1/4. You know what I'm talking about? So I have like one whole cake and then another 1/4 which survives. Yes, so it's like a mixed number. So in the same way here, the one whole is the original price. Then I can actually have 107% because it's, add on. So it's like a mixed number in a way. Okay, look at the method that you choose. You can choose between the A and the B. So you want to choose A or you want to choose B? Your choice. I will say the deciding point, how do you decide? Choose A or choose B? Yeah. So how do you decide whether it's choose A or choose? I will say it really depends on the original price number. If you look at the original price number, is $2,600. A very good number because it's 2,600. So you got two zeros in the back. For that, no matter A or B, also you need to do it. Okay? If it's a number like the second one, you see the second question, the original price? 1098. That is not a very easy complete number. Okay? So I can do A on one side and B on one side. Okay? Either method works fine, is your choice. You can do either 7% multiplied by 2,600. That is 7 out of 100 times 2,600. I can simplify, so cancel 0, so 26 and 7. Don't forget your units. Or the other method that is possible, 100% is $2,600. 1% is $26. Very easy to calculate because it's such a nice number. So 7% is 26 times 7. So you end up with the same answer. Then part B will just be the final price. So the final price is 107%. So it's the original price, OG, plus the GST amount, which will be 2,600 plus the amount that you calculated in part A. Done already? 26 times 7. Am I correct? Sometimes I tend to make mistake when I multitask. Okay, correct? Correct one. Okay, then you got a final answer. Move on to the next question already. We've got quite a few questions to go on to do. Some of you, like, your table is like very squeezed. Can you like shift your things a bit so that you have enough space to write, okay? Okay, moving on to the next one, okay? Okay. So you can choose, I chose, check your units, okay? The unit is half a buck. You miss out one unit is half a buck for each part. So you can choose whether you want to draw the model. You can choose either method A or method. The fraction method or the equivalent method. Okay, then the next question on the desktop computer. Then again, you think about the same 5 questions. Is it on GST? Is it on discount? Or is it on interest? Is it asking for the original price or is it asking for the final price? Okay, so look at question 2. It says that, oh, okay, maybe like this kind of very friendly question because it tells you almost all the information that is needed. So give you a hint is discount, it's a sale. So it should be cheaper if it's a sale. First part asks for discount, second part asks for how much do you pay. So this one is asking for final price. So the same as the first question in a way, but I have the question as discount. So it should be cheaper. So the final answer should be a smaller amount from the original price. So these are the top processes that you can tell yourself to check whether your answer makes sense or not. Okay, so if I draw a model, right, this is like 100%, 0 to 100%. The original price is $1,098. The discount is 15%. So it's like cut out. So this is the final price. So this is part B and this is part A. So again, look, so can use calculator. So I'll put the first part is find the discount. Discount. The discount is the 15%. $1,098 multiplied by 15%. So please really test a calculator skill. So 1098 as 15%. So I try using my calculator here. And here is good. One zero 1098 times 15 should answer P 15%. You need to know how to press this on your calculator, okay? In the exam time, this is what you need to be able to use. Now then you see your fraction. Okay, press this. 164.7. So when I'm writing down, it will be 164.70 because 7%. Then part B, final price. That will be the original price minus the discount amount. So that's 1098 minus 164.70 equal. If I use my calculator, 1098. I'll just subtract 1098. It should be negative 93.3. 933.30. At this point, this is a calculator question. So for this question, you should not take more than 5 minutes because you can use a calculator. So this question can be just 2 marks only. It's really testing you on calculator skills. You don't need to be writing down like the working steps. Okay? It's really a test of whether you know how to press the calculator. We are move on. Okay? Is it too fast? Move on. Okay. Check your units. Check. Look at your units. Do you write down units? You must have the units, huh? Okay, the next one, calculator. Very good. Can help you with calculations. Yeah, so you see, these 3 questions are in sequence. It gives you GST, discount, interest. In the exam time, definitely it will not be such a friendly sequence. You really need to ask yourself these key questions. Is the question asking for GST? Is the question asking for discount? Or is it asking for interest? Is it asking for the original price? Or is it asking for the final price? So here the fixed deposit account which pays an interest of 2.5% year. Okay, so this is the origin amount. Then you have 2.5% a year. This is the interest. How much interest do we assign at the end of the year? How much we have in the account at the end of the year? So this is final amount. So very similar to the previous questions in terms of the phrasing. So I can draw the model again. I have 100%, 0 to 100%. And then this is the original amount, 30,000, 1, 2, 3. And then an additional small little additional 2.5%. So you add up, right? The final amount is 102.5%. Later you see why I write this 102.5%. Because now it's a two-part question. Later you move to a two-step question. Then the amazing thing is if you can understand this, you can solve two-step questions in one step only. So part A, you are using finding the interest. So the interest is the original amount, 30,000, multiplied by the 2.5%. Okay, again, it's a calculator question. So it's really testing you if you know how to press. $30,000. 30,000, right? 31 times 2.5, answer key, then get a percent, then equal 750. So I can write here. Don't forget the dollar sign, very important. $750. Then part B, at the end of the year, you'll get the original amount plus the interest amount. Quite okay, right? Quite easy. I think I'm going like too slow already, actually. Some of you already maybe finished already. Okay. Okay, then now we move on to the two-step problem. Don't have the part A, part B anymore. So don't have part A, part B has its pros and cons, I would say. When you have a part A, part B question, right? You have got a chance to say, if I get part A wrong, I maybe can get the part B right. Then I have partial mark. Okay? Then when I have a two-step problem like this, question 4 is a two-step problem, it doesn't tell you that it's two-step now. You need to know that and figure out that it's two steps. So the good thing is, the pro is that if I know how to solve it, I can solve it one step. Very fast I finish, I can get 2 marks easily. However, it is challenging because it doesn't give you partial steps. Never tell you A, never tell you B. So you have to think about it. You might get the whole question wrong if you don't understand very enough. So, but then we can still ask ourselves the same 5 questions. Is it asking for GST discount interest or general price or final price? Okay, so it's like GST, discount, interest, original price, final price. These are the same 5 things that you'll be asking yourself throughout the whole time. What is given? The percentage given, the answer, what is it? Then I can then the usual price, this is just another word for original price. So I have the original price already, $88. Given a discount, the discount is given, so not GST, not interest. Given 25% discount for it, how much he has to pay for the pair of shoes after discount? So this is the ask for final amount. So in the end, this is the one that you need to find. And the given one is the original price at 25%. Okay, now take a look at how I solve this in one step. Okay, one step. Are you ready? I'm going to draw it at the side here so you have space for 2 steps. Okay. Let's say I draw a model. Now I have 0, right? Then 100%. So the original price is $88. The discount is like cut off here. This is 25% cut. So this is the final price. So previously we'll do step 1. Find discount. That is 25% times $88. Right? Then you will do. After that, set to find after discount. That's the final price. That is $88 minus the amount. So I can do 88 times 25. 04440 88 26176 212200. Did I calculate this correctly? No, I think I made a mistake. 8 times 2, 6. 8 times 2, 6. 1, 7, 0, 2. Correct, right? Correct, right? So, is this correct? 2200. 8 times 5, 40. 8 times 5, 40, 44, 440. Then after that, 8 times 2, 16. Then we have the 1 here. 8 times 2, 16, 1760. Very good. Correct? So it's 2200 out of 100. Cancel, simplify, $22. So it means $22 equals to $66. Okay? Alright. Okay, now I'll show you the shortcut. This is previously, okay, what we learned. Now, I can do, it's kind of getting this. I'm getting this, I'm teaching a shortcut method. Now, this is the previous longer method. Now, I know this is going to be cut off, right? So the final price is here. This part here. I can calculate by, so the final price, I can immediately get the final price. The final price is 100% minus 25%. I can immediately get 75%, sorry, not $75. Okay? Then from here, right, I just go, I just can find very quickly 75% of $88, which will give me 66. Can you see the step is like, okay, like, it's still two steps, but it's like, yeah, can. But you see, because of the model, I'm able to figure out that the final price is 75%. So 75 is like 88 times 75 is 8, which will get you 5 plus 15, 50, 44. And then 8 times 5 is 6, 56. Then you realize that you add up is, yeah, the calculation is slightly simpler. Yeah. Can you understand the green color wordings? Eden? Are you able to do this independently without me helping? Can you understand the words in green? What I'm writing, numbers I'm writing in green. So first for the blue one, you are okay with the blue color words, the numbers, the calculation step 1, step 2. Who's okay with the green one? Okay. Who's okay with both of them? Okay, that's great. Okay, so well, there are still two steps in the green working. It's just that the calculation is a little bit simpler. Okay, I'm moving on. Okay, okay, moving on. So let me see how many questions we have. Oh, we're almost finishing. Okay, I'll go a bit faster now that we have already at quite a good amount. Can I say I let you do this by yourself? You really can decide on your own how you want to do it. For me, I will go straight to shortcut method. So I have the original amount. I have the interest here. Interest. Then ask you the end of the year. So it's final amount. So the original is $4,000. Add on the 3%. Ask you the final amount. I will do shortcut immediately. Final amount will be 100% plus 3%. That is 103%. So the final amount will be this one. If I use the other method, the one method, also do not. Okay, so I do step one. Find the interest. The interest will be 2%. 2% of 4,000. So 3 out of 100 times 4,000. Simplify, that will be $120. Step two. Final amount at the end of the year. Original price plus interest. So $4,000 plus 120. Oh, quite easy. Also, both methods work great. Okay, move on. Two more questions and we are done. Yay. Okay, we'll finish percentage tomorrow. There's one last set, then we're done. And we'll start average next week. Yeah. We'll aim to cover average in 2 weeks. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Okay, moving on. The last two questions. So the last two questions is on I think really friendly. So far the numbers are quite helpful. They end with the hundreds. So you can simplify easily. So the original price is yeah, I did, yeah. But that's because mine is a soft copy. Okay. Then I cut 15% away. Discount. So once you purchase, so this is the discount. So this is original, this is discount, this is need to pay for it at the end during the period. So this is the final. And don't forget the units, okay? Check your units. So I can go straight into here to ask the final amount is 100% minus the 15%. That's 85%. So, and that's 85 out of 19,500. So it's 85 out of 100 times 19500. Simplify, then it will be 195 times 85. That's all. Alternatively, you can do the step 1, step 2 again. It depends on, sometimes it depends on how good your multiplication table is. If you can multiply very well, then this is not too difficult. But if you struggle with your long multiplication, then big numbers are very scary, can be a bit scary. So step 1, find discount. Okay, I'm doing like everything. So you choose yourself, okay, which method. So under RACE, you choose. You have P5 now, so really there's more than one way to solve problems. So you're going to have to decide which is better for you. So like I said, nice when the numbers are manageable. Okay, so you do your subtraction. 19,500 minus 2,925. Don't forget your units, okay? Okay? You can choose either the green or the blue. Up to you. But whichever you feel more confident in. Liang, are you on task? Okay? Okay, that's the last question already. Yes. Okay? Okay, now. So difficult? Okay, right? Manageable? Is this set easier or the percentage of the quantity easier? This one is easier. Yeah, okay. Yeah, because there are two word problem sets, right? Remember the previous one? Tomorrow you need to hand in the previous one, okay? The one with the eight, four, I think I gave you how many questions from page 82 onwards, right? 82, 83, 84, about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 questions. They are all YouTube already. You tell me which one is easier. Is it those easier or the GST interest one is easier? Easier? Hmm? Okay, then the last question already. Quite happy? Difficult? No, right? Mm. That's very good. That's really good. Mm. There's another set. You want to take the other set? Uh, yeah, this one, the kind of. Okay, okay. This is the question we talked about last Wednesday. Is it cheaper for Blitz or is it cheaper for Speedster? So you just the two question like the yeah, decide who to buy from. Is it to buy from Blitz or to buy from Speedster? But both of them have the same original price. That's here. Both of them have the same usual price. The both original price is 750. But they try to challenge you to decide which one to buy from. At one look, you realize that it's not so easy to choose. You need to see which shop offer a better discount. So for Blitz, in the blues area, Blitz discount So you have the original price, then write down like that. Okay? Original price, discount, final. So before discount, after discount. Original price, $750. The discount, 15%. 15 out of 100 times 750. Simplify. 75 times 50. It's okay. You can go ahead. It's okay. You're done as well? Okay. It's okay. So the final price is original price 150 minus 120, $102. And then for pizza coming from the green zone, the green zone has a different discount. One is $100 discount. The other one is a percentage discount. Very different in amounts. So for discount, the same original price, the discount is not in percentage. The discount, very nice, easy to calculate. It's just a sweet 100. Eh? Looking at the discount can already decide already. Who has a better discount? Leads. Just looking at the discount itself, we can tell already. So our friend Spinster try to attract you by giving you a big number. 100 leh, I give you $100 discount, okay? The person next door at Please only give you 15% discount. 15% discount only. Mine is $100, you know? Then you realize that, oh, yes. 100% discount. It's free already, right? Isn't it? Correct or not? What's the meaning of 100% discount? Zero already is free. You become free. The whole 0 to 100%, 100% is take away the whole thing. Eh? You're free. But where to buy? Ryan? Is it from you? From you? I also want to buy 100% discount. Buy one, get one free. Is it 100% discount? No, again. Is it really 100% discount? You buy one, you get one free. Yeah, so, but you're still paying some money, right? You don't get two free, right? Yeah, correct. But the other one is, it is a very interesting question. You think about it, So you thought about it, buy one, get one free, right? Buy one, let's say this is calculator number one, the calculator. I think very nice, okay? Yeah, look at this. Hey, $100 for $100 for one. Okay, not for one. You buy one, I give you one more free, yeah? Buy one, get one free. Tell me, is it really 100% discount? If it's 100%, sorry, if it's 100% discount, what will we do? Please go free. Go with free is 100% alright, all good. But now it's not both free. One of them you have to pay. How do you know it's 50%? Okay, that means you paid for one calculator price, you got two. So actually it was a 50%. So in the end, what kind of discount is still the best? Ryan's 100% discount. Everyone is still a very good bargain. Not really, depends. If you don't need, then you no point, right? For example, if I go and buy cup noodle, say buy one get one free, but I only got one money, then unless I pull another friend, I put it low, that's why we cup noodle together. Then the person only need to pay half the price, right? Yeah. So thank you. Have you said the question maybe? All right, let's see. Okay, you solved already? Okay, then we are done for this set. Yay, hooray! Finish already? Okay, now you have a choice for the last set of this worksheet, okay? Last set. I'm letting you choose. You can choose either to do this page. Skylar, your worksheet. Your worksheet. You can choose either this one, but take note. Guys, this is very important. I was walking around with my pen. Yeah, how is that? Okay, so you have a choice for the last set. You can choose either this one, but take note, it's a 400 square feet. Okay? Not 100 squares. It's 100 squares, okay? But it's quite fun because you can color. But then you need to find the percentage later. Okay, so it's out of 400 times 100%. Okay, or you can choose the last copy here. The last one is on the books question. Liter is how many? Okay, so you choose either this or that. Okay, that's for tomorrow. All right. Okay, then lock up and let's go. Bye bye. You have 2 copies of percentage to do, okay? Those of you who still haven't finished your work, please. 82 to 84 is already on the channel. Very nice. Everything is here already. And all the questions, okay? I just for fun, let's play the video. You want to see? Who haven't seen it? You haven't seen already? The any show montage. Can you please go back and really solve all the problems? Tomorrow want to collect, okay? Tomorrow want to collect.
How do I reach for the skies if I'm feeling low? Don't know where to go. How do I stand when it's time, when spirits are high and flags are flying? But then I come to the river that runs through my town, where our fathers and mothers have watered the ground. The roads I have walked and the faces I know, oh I know, if we just learn to be true, then this house will feel like home. And the more we're together,